This beautiful colonial with fieldstone accents and a serene front porch is located in quiet Lincoln. The spacious floor plan is ideal for entertaining and filled with detailed millwork like wainscoting and inlaid hardwood floors. Step inside and relax with friends and family in the bright sitting room or enjoy a meal in the gorgeous dining room. The expansive family room is a wonderful open area with a gas fireplace, making it a great setting for any occasion. The open chef's kitchen features granite counters, stainless steel appliances, and a sunny breakfast area set by a wall of floor-to-ceiling windows. Walk out to the lovely deck, where you can dine al fresco day and night, or step down to the expansive fenced-in yard with enough space for any outdoor activities. Completing the first level are a powder room and a laundry room. Up on the second floor is the incredible master suite, with a gas fireplace and an ensuite spa bath, boasting a walk-in shower and a whirlpool tub. 3 more generous bedrooms occupy this floor, including one currently being used as a home office, and a full bath with a dual sink vanity. Lincoln is a charming suburb full of great attractions. The Lincoln Woods State Park is a gorgeous park with over 600 acres of trails, fishing areas, and even a beach. Shop at the Lincoln Mall or enjoy its many restaurants, movie theater, and arcade. Golfers can take advantage of the course at nearby Kirkbrae Country Club. Easy highway access allows you to travel to downtown Providence in 15 minutes and enjoy all the arts and culture. For more information, please visit the property website or call Ryan Antrop at area code 401-480-4564.